This is a really good song.
Ain't nobody laughing at you.
Oh yeah. How you say you love me, you hate me. You push and you pull so wavy.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with JuliaHair. They sent me over this lovely ginger wig, and this is the kind of ginger that I like. I don't like that yellowy ginger. I love this orange looking ginger. I feel like it definitely gives me a vibe. It's giving a spring vibe. So if you guys want to see how I installed my wig today and did my edges, I did show you guys a little tip because I learned this from somebody on TikTok. I don't even remember her name, but I learned like doing my edges in sections so that it stays. This is how the hair turned out. I love it. I feel like it's giving me a vibe. It's giving me a spring vibe. I also did my makeup, but that's gonna be in another video, so make sure you guys subscribe so you'll be updated when I drop my makeup video. I feel like every hair video from now on is gonna have a makeup look to go with it, so I'm definitely going to be posting the makeup video after this. So if you're interested in getting your makeup to look like this, make sure you subscribe. Let's get right into this video. Actually, let me show you guys what came in the box. It comes with some clips, a scarf, some lashes, a wig cap, a bag to put everything in your wig, and a headband. Lace goes right here. It's a good amount of lace. Okay, so yeah, I will have all the details and the links to this hair down below if you guys are interested, and let's get right into this video. All right, hey you guys, so this is the hair straight out the packaging. I need to comb this hair back, and I'm also putting on a brown wig cap because I feel like this makes more sense. If I'm doing a bald cap, then I can do the other color, but this makes sense. Okay, so this is how the wig looks. I did pluck this wig. I'm cutting down the lace because, child, I cannot see what I'm doing, and I'm cutting off the ear tabs. I'm gonna apply my wig using the Ebon Lace Wonder. I love this black bottle. This black bottle is literally the go, and if you have not tried it, I recommend that you try it. I'm gonna apply 3 or 4 layers, making sure that it's tacky in between. I end up applying 4 layers, and this could last me a good 5 days, no joke. It might lift up in the front, but just spray a little bit and stick it down again. So once it's tacky, I'm going to tie it down for 10 minutes. Make sure you put on your timer. This is important. Leave it for 10 minutes. Do not mess with it, okay? Once the 10 minutes is up, you're going to go ahead and use a razor and cut it. Cutting it jagged gives it a more natural, seamless effect, I feel like. So definitely try doing it this way. I did speed the video up, so I am taking my time. So take your time with this. Don't rush this. You don't want to cut yourself. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray this on like the wig cap packaging, and I'm using a spatula to apply it to the areas that did not get any. This is just making sure that I have a nice seamless install at the front. You want to make sure that everything is seamless right there, because if it's not, your wig is going to lift up. You can apply it 2 or 3 times and then make sure it's tacky before you push it into the lace. Use the comb teeth, the teeth of your comb, to push that in so it doesn't, I don't know, I don't want it to lift up. You don't want it to lift up. So guys, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Just make sure like you're doing it slowly. Like take your time and blowing it in between, and then you're going to tie it down for 5 minutes. Once your 5 minutes is up, you should have something like this. You can see that white crusty line. I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 14 and 15. I mix those together and I just go right along the line just to get rid of that ashy line, okay? And you can stop right here if you don't like edges, because this is looking very seamless. But as you know, I love edges, so I am going to go ahead and take out 2 edges on my temples and the sideburns. I'm making a C shape to take this out, and I'm using my hot comb to press it into the direction that I want it to lay. I did not show you guys exactly how I lay down the edges, but I'm showing you the products that I'm using. So I could show you guys an updated edge tutorial if you want that. Comment down below if you guys want to see my new edge tutorial, because I do my edges in sections now. So I'm going to cut down the edges, and you want to do it in a jagged motion because this is going to give you a more natural look. You don't want the edges to just be cut straight across because then it doesn't blend seamlessly. So just do like an up and down motion, making sure that it's not too short but not too long. I'm using my little flat iron and I'm going to curl the edges away from my face. And then I'm curling my sideburns towards my face. I used the Nairobi foam to do this. I didn't show you guys, but I'm kind of demonstrating exactly what I did. I just put it on there and I'm using my finger to guide the shape, and I'm also blowing it on hot air to dry it in place. I do that section by section on each edges and then I tie it down until I'm ready. I did my makeup and then I took it off, and I'm going to use my Hot Tools 1-inch barrel flat iron, and I'm going to curl this hair all the way around. So I was trying to figure out if I wanted to do a middle part or a side part, but I just ended up doing a flip over method. I did not even hot comb this hair down. I literally just used my cheese silk infusion. I put it all over the hair. I did not spray heat protectant, but I recommend that you spray a heat protectant. You want to brush this through the hair so you know that everything is coated. And then I'm going to start off by the back. I am curling this hair going away from my face all around. And then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and use my Sebastian Shaper Plus, and I apply this generously just to hold the curls. And I'm using a wide tooth comb to comb out the curls, and this is giving me volume. And this is how I get my hair to be big and voluminous. I literally just use a wide tooth comb and I use shaping hairspray. Guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, okay, so this is 24 inches and it's really long. I am 5'2.5", 5'3", so it's pretty long on me. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to add me on TikTok and Instagram, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Oh, and don't forget to check out JuliaHair. I will have the links down below. Bye.
Oh yeah. How you say you love me, you hate me. You push and you pull so wavy. Not even a water sign. Trying to tell me how I'm supposed to feel.